Right, we've got a lot to get through in this video and I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Things I want to cover: why you need an SSD. Also, which is better, an SSD or a hard drive. I'm going to announce the winner of the £100 Amazon gift card, and I'm going to give you guys a chance to win one of these. What's going on, and welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josh Gudgeon. I'm a video creator, content creator based in Leeds in the UK. We work with all sorts of brands, companies, you name it, we've worked with them, including some football teams, which you should have seen in the intro to this video. But today I want to talk quickly about why you should be using an SSD. An SSD is a solid state drive. The main advantage of using an SSD is that it uses integrated storage rather than a spinning disk, so it makes it significantly faster. I think it's like 4 times faster than your standard hard drive. And you're probably thinking, well, which one's better? Honestly, it's like comparing Lewis Hamilton in his F1 car to your nan in a 10-year-old Nissan. They both have the pros and cons. If you were just using a hard drive to just store content, that's it, just store videos, music, pictures, whatever, you just need a hard drive. Because although they're 4 times faster, they're probably 4 times more expensive. For a 500GB SSD, you can probably buy a 4TB hard drive. Well, when we've done a shoot, what we do is we back up to a hard drive and we work from an SSD. So we transfer onto both, we put this one into storage, and then we work from this. The transfer speeds from an SSD through a USB-C cable are like blazing fast. So that means that you can run Final Cut, Photoshop, Premiere Pro. You can store the project on an SSD and work from it. Whereas if you do that from a hard drive, which I found out the hard way, the transfer speed is dire. It's so bad. But the worst thing about working from a hard drive is, because they're not solid state and you've got a spinning disk, you might hear that clicking come about, click, 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 click. And that means impending doom. Again, another mistake that I made, I just worked from one of these. I didn't have a backup. And sure enough, when you've got a client who wants that footage, that's when this hard drive's gonna break. And I had to pay, I think it was nearly £500 to get some footage recovered from a hard drive. The long and short of it, stop what you're doing and buy one of these right now. It's not a sponsored video. Get yourself an SSD and start working from it and store your backups onto a hard drive. That's how we work here at my company. We work from SSDs and we back up to our server. We've got a RAID drive. A RAID drive is basically 2 hard drives that backs up and syncs every 12 hours so that we've got like triple backup. These are so good, in fact, that I'm gonna give you a chance to win one of these. This is the Sandisk Extreme Rugged SSD. As I said, the rugged, shock resistant and water resistant. So if you're an editor like me, on the go, you're in the back of a car, you're on a plane, whatever, this is what you want to be using, not one of these. To be in with a chance of winning this SSD, it's as simple as this. There's a link in the description below, follow the link, and what it'll do is you need to put your details in, it'll take you to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram and send me a message, a DM, saying SSD. I'll be choosing a winner from my DMs on Instagram, so I'll acknowledge the message, I'll just give you a like back, and the winner will be announced at the end of the month. And speaking of winners, I need to announce the competition winner from last month. So I gave you guys a chance to win a £100 Amazon voucher, and we have a winner. Drum roll, please. So the winner is Oscar Fisher. Oscar, I've sent you an email. As soon as you get back in touch with me, I'll send you the gift card, and congratulations on winning. I'm gonna aim to do a giveaway or a competition every month on this channel because I just think it's so much fun to do. It gets people involved and I enjoy it. I want to try and give away things that I actually use as a content creator, which I know you guys will benefit from. Naturally, a £100 Amazon voucher, you can get what you want. You can actually get one of these. And again, this month, you've got a chance to win a Sandisk Extreme SSD. I do hope you've enjoyed the video. Those that have been around for a while will know that I don't go in depth with my reviews of items. I just go for real world practical usages. And in this video, I just want to showcase why we use SSDs and hard drives. They've both got the place as a video creator, but since I transferred over to using an SSD, absolute game changer. I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, drop me a comment, and I'll see you next week for another video.